Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how Claude AI can summarize PDF files. So first things first, go to Claude AI, create an account, and then choose the model that you want. But for the meantime, we can only choose one model here because I'm using the basic version. Now, the next thing to do here is you have to upload your PDF file. Tap this plus icon right here and then upload that file from your computer or from your laptop. Here, as it is processing, you can add the prompt at the top. You can choose to copy my prompt right here, or you can create your own. So here you can ask Claude AI to summarize this PDF into key bullet points, give the main argument of each chapter, summarize this academic paper in simple terms, extract all the action items from this report. So basically, you will see the result right away after you press enter. So before that, you can also choose a style that you want, or if you have your own style, you can select that one right here, press enter, and then you have to wait till it is processing. And Claude AI will give you the result and the content of this PDF. Now, aside from that, you can also customize your summary request, like you can ask for different styles, bullet points, executive summary, simplified for students, detailed chapter, and so on. Now you can also ask, give me a summary and 5 bullet points for each section. Keep it concise and highlight important data. Press enter. Then you will see the result right away. So this is what it looks like, and don't worry, you can ask for a follow-up questions. So if you want to know or if you want to dig deeper into specific parts, then you can ask what are the author's main conclusions, explain the methodology in simple terms, what are the pros and cons listed in section 2, and so on. So use Claude for long ebooks, business reports, academic journals, and PDF summarization. You can turn your PDF into script if you want. Just write the perfect prompt to summarize your PDF. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.